Men have been done injustice and has been flying under the radar for a while. And I'm speaking about men in the West, in countries where many women are being liberated or have been liberated, or there's a huge focus on the rise and freedom of women. And it's fantastic that women have been taking the stage and speaking about the injustice that's been done to them over the years, and the changes has been very necessary. However, I do think that the pendulum has swung too far to the other side, and we need to address that many men are now feeling treated unjust. Hi, my name is Marlene, and I make videos about masculine and feminine dynamics and why the polarity between the masculine and feminine is so important, not only in our relationship, but on a greater societal scale. If that is something that you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with someone that you think might need to hear this message. When we look at men, how they're being treated when they're abused, or when they're going through a court case, or through a divorce, oftentimes there's more support for the woman's argument and pain. And men are just expected to suck it up and deal with the consequences or live with the injustice that's been done to them. Let me give you a couple of examples. When a man cheats, he's a piece of you know what. But when a woman cheats on her man, the man probably didn't give enough attention. When a man divorces a woman, he has to fight to see his children. When a woman divorces a man, she has to fight to make sure that he doesn't see the children. When a woman gets abused by a man, he is a narcissistic, toxic a-hole. But when a man gets abused by a woman, he is seen weak. Men are continuously drawing the short end in the stick in our current day society, and things are flying under the radar, and men are not speaking up about this, and this causes hurt, pain, and frustration, and it's unjust and it's unfair towards men that we treat them this way. It's fantastic that we have liberated women. I'm not against this, but we are now putting the hurt on men. We are now doing the same to men that has been done to women over those years, which we have been fighting to rectify as women via the feminist movement. But now we're doing the same to men. We are silencing men. We are hurting men, and we're doing men injustice. We are treating men unfairly. And men don't speak up about these injustices anymore because they fear being ridiculed. They fear being hurt. They fear being seen as weak. A man left me a comment under one of my videos saying that he divorced his wife because she cheated. And he shared this with a couple of women. And the women took the side of the woman. They said, oh yeah, but women have the right to divorce. And probably they thought that he deserved it as well because he's a man. He probably did something that made her cheat. Can we get clear on this, that this is not the right way to think? If we fight for equality in feminism, then we should also fight for the equal treatment of men. Men should be able to be treated the same way in court as women are treated. We should not by default take the side of a woman in court because she is seen as more vulnerable, or in divorce cases that a man has to fight to see his own children. We do not realize how important it is to have a masculine energy and a father in the life of the children. We seem to think that it's more important that the woman is there. Well, it needs both. So men have equal rights there as well. And men should be treated equally when experiencing abuse, because a lot of women are abusing men. Let's not forget, if you see women arguing with their men in the streets, you see a man just sucking it up, and this woman just throwing shit at him. Excuse me. She is throwing a barrage of not so nice words at him. And sometimes when I see that is abuse. It's emotional abuse. It is sometimes physical abuse. We've all seen a woman hit a man, and we accept it because a man has to suck it up. This needs to end. We need to realize that a man or a woman doesn't matter. We need to treat each other as equals. And that means women, that we need to start treating men as equals and understand that men have the same rights. If you want equality, ladies, you also need to get equal judgment. This means you will be judged equally for your abuse and for your offenses. just as men have been. So instead of fighting for equal rights for women, I think we need to shift now to fight for equal rights for men. Because as I said, the pendulum has swung too far to the side of the women. So men are suffering in silence. Men are experiencing abuse, but they cannot speak about it because they know that the case won't be treated the same way or they'll be ridiculed. And this needs to stop. So please, women, as a conscious woman who wants to be on the side of man, who wants to heal, who wants to be a good partner, please understand that if you want to be treated equally to men, you also need to be treating them equally. And you need to understand that you need to accept the responsibilities of your actions. So that means no abusing men, no swearing at men, no hitting men, no being rude to men, no putting cheating under the guise of, oh, he did something wrong or he didn't love me enough. Are you out of your mind? This is not equality, is it? Imagine a man doing all of these things to a woman. This is what we fought for, right? Men were able to cheat back in the days. Men were able to hit women back in the days. Men were able to swear at women back in the days. That was all okay. And we accept that now in our society. And this has to change. This has to end now. It's not fair. And I understand that men are frustrated and checking out of relationships because they have no ground to stand on. They have no support. So let this be the end of it, at least for you as a woman, that you treat your men equally. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, because I want to fight for the rebalancing of masculine and feminine dynamics in a healthy manner, not just in relationships, but also in a societal scale, in family structures, in law structures, anywhere where there's a disbalance of masculine and feminine or male or female rights need to change. So if you found this video helpful, please share it with a person who needs to hear this message. Support me by subscribing to my channel. Leave me a comment if you have a topic that you want me to talk about, or if you want to share your story. I read my comments. I also read the ones that are not so kind. Also, please check out the comment section where I have a link to a playlist with all of the videos that I made around the topics of masculine and feminine dynamics and how we can rebalance the polarity and why it is so important in our relationships as well as in our society. And also you will find a link to the website of the book that I'm writing. It's called The Shadowside of Feminism, and therein I talk more about all of these topics and how we can rebalance to a healthier dynamic in our relationships and societies. And if you want to deep dive on this topic or want to see more of my videos, please check out this video right here. I think it is a nice follow-up to this video, and it's also very inspirational if you want to change as a man or as a woman to be a better partner for your partner, or just be a better person in general. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Mwah!